It was relatively simple with the CAD team, within the CAD team. Around sprint 3, or I think, or I kind of split off from the like task sheet that the other teams were using, because I was like, it's too many things. I want to look at my own things, just CAD things, and help, do that with the other CAD team members. At the start especially, it was kind of just like, we just need to model all these components, and they don't need to connect to each other at all. And then there's certain times when they need to start sort of like being sequenced, where like, but because there's sort of subsystems, there's like an enclosure, and there's like all of the pneumatic, like the fittings for all the air parts, and then all the electrical components. Those could sort of be divided between members, and then all we needed to do together was, if there were sort of requirements around the spacing, but like assembling that into one package. So that did make it easy inside the CAD team. There were definitely also problems, or it was difficult sometimes to integrate with other aspects, because we were sort of pulling a lot of these components together. And thus, I think it was by sprint 4 or sprint 5 that I was like, hey, y'all are speccing this, like these components, and it doesn't handle the voltage that this solenoid requires, even though like you're 2 different teams, we need to make sure that these are, consistent. So that kind of virtual collaboration, that was definitely like a difficult part of the like inter-team. CAD was luckily pretty easy though for intra-team.
Mm-hmm.